Good afternoon, everybody. As been presented, I'm Marco Spaltini, and in this speech, I want to talk about an exciting project funded by EIT Manufacturing that inspired me and gave me the opportunity to meet colleagues interested like me in the field of manufacturing. The Young Manufacturing Leader is an international network of people aimed at spreading awareness about the importance of advanced and sustainable manufacturing, engaging and connecting young people with key players and opportunities in the manufacturing sectors, empowering them to become change makers and contribute to the sustainable development of manufacturing industry and future society. These activities are made both at local and global level. The project is coordinated by 6 partners, which are the World Manufacturing Foundation, Politecnico di Milano, that is my university, Chalmers University, the CTU of Prague, and the University of Braunschweig. We are a community of students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and also experts from other sectors. And at present, we count more than 100 members spread among 16 countries, which are Italy, Czech Republic, Germany, Spain, and Sweden, which represent the 5 city hubs of the network. But we're also present in other countries worldwide, which are Belgium, Canada, Estonia, Finland, Ireland, India, Mexico, the Netherlands, Switzerland, UK, and the USA. We are an active community, as I said, involved in many activities of the World Manufacturing Foundation, like the Back to the Future initiative or the ESN contest, whose winner will be proclaimed tomorrow evening at the Young Manufacturing main event at 4 o'clock. So if you want to join it, you're more than welcome. But we are also active in many other fields, like the development of thematic learning materials and the organization of webinars with experts from industry and academia as well. So to conclude, if you want to learn new skills or develop new perspective or build new relationships, I also take this opportunity to invite you to check our website. It is www.youngmanufacturingleaders.org and become a Young Manufacturing Leaders, and also to join the event of tomorrow, the Young Manufacturing Leaders main event. So thank you very much.